Crazy. I recently did one influencer campaign जहाँ पे we have paid influencer literally 2 million dirhams
My
just
God.
for 3 visits. If you have a lot of followers, you are viral,
Right.
or your page has a credibility. No, every business wants to do marketing. They
Right.
know that if they have opened a business without marketing, no one will know them. When I get those kind of clients, I have got a lot of clients who have said that we'll see, एक महीना काम करके देखते हैं, we'll see how the work is. If I am pleased by your work, then I will go ahead and do the contract with you. I'm like, no. See, for small businesses, it is very important because you are not in the market yet. So you have to let people know that I am there, I am starting something, I am just going into the market, I am entering into, because every business, if you see, every business has their own competition.
Hello and welcome everybody. This is me Sadhna and this is my channel, The Attitude of Gratitude. World is running behind digital marketing. Everybody knows what is digital marketing, but what is actually digital marketing, how it works and how it is helpful for everybody nowadays. We have a special guest today. Her name is Rashi. She is a founder of iCraft Communication. She helps people to build their dreams, their companies in a way where you give your contract or you talk to her and she will explain you how it works. So we have Rashi today. Hey Rashi, how are you?
Hi Sadhna, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, Rashi. Rashi, can you please tell me, first of all, who you are so that our viewers will understand that to whom they are listening?
Okay, so I'm Rashi. I'm the founder of iCraft Communications. All my life, I've worked in digital marketing. It's been 10 years that I am doing marketing. I have started as a graphic designer, and then gradually I got into marketing. I've understood each and every vertical. Now, today, if you ask me that everything that comes under digital marketing, I would be able to provide that to you. So that is how I've got into marketing. I have worked in the both sides, like the brand side and in the agency side. So I understand the pain points of the client as well, and I understand that how an agency has to handle the client. So since I have the experience of both the sides, I understand that how the dynamics work.
Right.
So when I was working in an agency, I have seen that how clients, what are the issues that clients face, what are the pain points of the clients, and that is how when I left the agency and I started my own company, that those were the points that I always wanted to consider, that this is something that I have to consider, that my clients should not suffer the how they are suffering with other agencies or with agencies which are a big brand. So these were some things that I wanted to cover in my agency. Plus my biggest USP was that every business wants to do marketing. They
Right.
know that if they have opened a business without marketing, no one will know them. But there are some clients who cannot afford an agency. So we of course have packages for these kind of clients as well. Depends on the deliverables, of course, but we do cater these kind of clients as well who cannot afford an agency but they still want to do marketing. So we have a space for these kind of clients who can have the taste of marketing. So that is how, keeping everything in mind, that is how I had gone ahead and opened my company.
That's lovely. See, what people understand about marketing, the digital marketing word itself is saying that the digital, which is related to social media, something like, and the marketing is where they have to promote their brands.
Correct.
Right. But tell me one thing. What do you think? Why digital marketing is important? Just only for the visibility? And what about those people who just have started the business and somewhere somehow their followers are not that much but their work is great? What you can talk about this one?
See, honestly, if I tell you, this is a myth that if you have a lot of followers, you are viral,
Right.
or your page has a credibility. No, followers. Now, if you earlier, yes, of course, earlier people used to see your followers. But now if you see, it's not about the followers, it's about how many people can you reach through your content. Doesn't matter even if you just have 10 to 20 followers, but you have enough views, and if you are if your content reaches a lot of people, you have enough engagement on your content, you have enough reach on your content, that is what makes you seen. Followers ka, it's nothing. The followers is now in today's time, having a lot of followers to be known as a viral
So
content.
as per you, this is a myth.
Definitely.
This is a myth.
Definitely.
So I want to tell all of you, it is not important to see whether the person is having a millions or a trillions or whatever followers in their accounts. What you should see their content. Plus, you should also see whether you are comfortable what they are doing it for you or not. Because collecting thousands of friends are not important for yourself. The same way, collecting thousands of business people in digital marketing or influencers are not very important to be with. Instead of that, you should be having one person who can understand your business.
Correct.
And can help you growing. So Rashi, can you please tell me one thing now? As digital marketing is now flourishing now everywhere, everybody
Correct.
wants digital marketing. So what are the parameters you see when a client comes to you to promote their businesses? And I know one more thing that you said, you do PR for people, right?
I do, yes.
Yes. And then you tell me about this first question, that how you see which kind of parameters you are looking for a client, that whether you can do this for, it is good if the person will go for the digital marketing or this person is not required that kind of services right now.
Correct. So every I cannot be a person who can say that you do not need digital marketing. Every person and every business needs digital marketing in today's world. Even if I am a CEO of the company, of course I need personal branding.
Right.
So every person and every company needs branding and marketing for sure. But for the clients, the kind of clients that I want for my company is something that I can choose.
Right.
Is something that I can always pick.
Right.
There are a lot of clients who will come, who do come to me, and my packages are some packages which are even okay for the people who cannot afford an agency but they still want marketing. So my packages literally start from 1,500 dirhams and they go on till 10 to 12,000 dirhams. My packages range from.
So you are, from your heart, it is good that you have thought about those people who are new in the market or new business people. So that also can help these kind of people. Because
Correct.
I asked you this question because few days ago there was somebody who asked me this question, like whether, because my company is new, I don't need marketing. So I think I was not the person, because I'm not into digital marketing, I do something else. So I was able to reply him, but on the other side, I was not the correct person.
Correct.
For those who are listening to us, it's a big question, as everybody is asking nowadays. My company is small, I don't need marketing. If your company is small, then you also stop marketing from your side and don't tell people that you are doing it. Let's see how many guests or how many customers will come to you directly. Because if you'll not show off, it will not work. And now the time is, people are not going in the market to check it. They are seeing everything online.
Everything.
Yeah. So this is the thing actually I wanted to clear. So if the expert is saying about it, I think there should be an impact on that.
It is very necessary. I'll give you an example. I had a meeting with a very, very good Thai restaurant. It's in JLT. It's a very good restaurant. But people do not know about it because they have no presence on Instagram.
Right.
They do not need followers. They just need good presence on Instagram.
Right.
Even if they showcase their food, they showcase. It's a very beautiful location, but people don't know about it because there are no pictures, there are no reels, there's nothing, there's no content on their page. So no one knows about it. So that is something which is quite a bit important, because until and unless you don't have that presence on your Instagram or your TikTok, Facebook, how will people come to know?
Because that is the way people are actually working. They don't have the place to work, but
Correct.
their presence is there on
Correct.
social media,
Yes.
where they are selling the products online.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
So that's very lovely. Rashi, you told me when we were talking outside, you said you do influencer marketing also.
Yes.
What is that exactly?
So influencer marketing is basically, right now influencer marketing is booming. Marketing is like a big umbrella which has a lot of verticals under
Right.
it. You do posting, you do performance marketing, definitely. You want sales. it's marketing is for your presence, it gets you sales, and it is also for your credibility. You need to influence people as well. You need to tell people that okay, the products that I'm selling has that credibility. You can trust my product. And how people are going to trust your product if you are new in the market is when they see that influencers or the other people who are using that product and
Right.
posting their reviews, correct? So influencer marketing is basically for tapping that network of your UA that you cannot reach through your content or your performance marketing, because influencers, they do have their own followers. You might not reach those followers through performance marketing and organic content, but you reach them through influencer marketing. So right now influencer marketing is booming.
So that is one other thing that people are doing right now. You know,
Correct.
they are calling the influencers and telling them to shoot about their product or
Yes.
something, and then it goes to their portfolios.
It just helps you get the credibility. That is it.
That's nice. Okay, I have one more question. I have seen people that, you know, as they are sending their contract, because I have few people in this field, and once somebody told me people are doing bargaining for it.
Yeah.
What do you think? For suppose if I want to give you my portal to work on, so you have given me one price. It is maybe, of course, everybody is taking charge and we are here for money. Everybody knows. But can you give me little details about it so that people will understand where they are doing actually the bargaining? It is already in the low cost because we need to reach more people.
Correct.
And on the other side, of course, we are also earning and we want to come out
Correct.
in the public where everybody can see us. So can you please tell me like how it works? Because they say, okay, I just want this, just take 50 dirhams, 20 dirhams. I have heard that so many times. So how you feel that when you get these kind of clients?
No, it's whenever a person bargains, I take it as a red flag. Honestly, I take it as a red flag, because I know, because a person who will bargain with you when it comes to marketing, when they choose a package, for example, I have a package for 4,000 dirhams with X number of deliverables. And if they come ahead and tell me that, no, I cannot afford that, I need this package, but I cannot afford that, or I want you to give me, okay, fine, I like this package, but you give me some discount, then they do not know how marketing works. They do not respect the efforts. They do not know how much marketing is not just coming and clicking pictures and videos and then just posting on your Instagram. It takes a lot of efforts in the back end. We sit and we do the strategy. If there's a photo shoot, we have the mood board to work on. We have captions, SEO related captions. Your each and every caption and hashtag has to be related to the SEO keywords, because now that's a new trend on Instagram.
Right.
Hashtags are dead. Instagram allows only 5 hashtags. So you have to sit and brainstorm over the words, SEO related words, which goes into your caption. So it's not just posting, it's that kind of efforts that we put. If you are doing performance marketing, there's a lot of things that happens in the back end that we have to take care so that your money is not burnt. We have to, because we are answerable for your money at the end, correct?
Right.
So we have to keep a check continuously. We have to optimize the ads. We have to take care that your money is not being burnt. So when a person doesn't understand these efforts, for them, if they think that marketing is just posting and clicking pictures and just putting a caption, then, and that is what they are paying for, then no. And whenever they come and tell me that we need a discount on this, I would straight away say no. It's a biggest red flag.
Before other question, I have one small question. How much time, basically, if you can tell me, of course, every poster or every video has their own timings.
Yeah.
But basically, if somebody wants a basic poster, like just the company name and some kind of animation or something, how much time one poster can take to create and then you float on them?
If it's a basic poster, then of course 30 minutes is maximum that you need. 30 minutes. But of course, when we send it to the client, because there are some things that a client sees, there's something in the client's mind, and we cannot read the mind. We can just absorb the information that they give us, and then we try to put it in the design.
Right.
And when we give them the first draft of the design, they might tell us that this is how they want it. You can change a bit. Ye upar le lo, ya niche le lo. Vaisa they give us some or the other feedback, and that is how we finish off. But to give them the first draft, if it's a basic one, then it needs only 30 minutes, not more than that.
So it means the client are actually getting frustrated by these also, right? Because they don't like everything in first go, right?
Yeah. No client likes
means
the
that
design
the
in
effort
first
is again not.
Yeah.
They are not counting in the
Yes,
package, and you are even not telling them.
Yes.
Because that is your job.
That
you
is
took
our
money
job.
for
We
that.
cannot do. We
That's
cannot
nice.
say
And what
anything on
about the
that.
video? If somebody is creating a 30 or 40-second video about branding, not with real human,
Okay.
just with branding, like slides show or something like. And
No,
how much
videos
time?
take time. Videos definitely take time. It's not as easy as designing. If it's AI, then okay. Even AI videos take time. Right now, you see that motion graphics and everything, stock videos and everything is dead. People are running after AI videos. They love the trend of AI videos. We have done so many AI videos, but it definitely takes time.
So, what do you think? The AI video is in the trend, or the basic normal video which we make just like that, where we are diverting? It depends on the content, huh?
So there is videography that we do. There is motion graphics, and then there are AI videos, and there's CGI videos.
Okay.
So there was a time when CGI videos were a trend, but now again CGI
What is CGI video?
CGI video is basically it's animation through reality. So if you see there's a truck going on Sheikh Zayed Road, and the tires of the truck are maybe donuts.
Okay,
So that's CGI.
okay.
So if you want to promote, for example, the Dunkin' Donuts want to promote their new donuts that they have launched. If there's a car or something going on and the tires are
of the
donuts,
donuts,
that is how they are doing it. So that's
nice.
CGI.
CGI.
But then there's another thing that has come up now, which is AI videos, which is
And
pure
how
AI.
AI is different than this?
Yeah.
What is AI video?
AI videos, they have nothing in reality.
Everything
so
is fake.
everything is AI. Everything is prompt based. Every
Even
single thing.
AI can create a human videos as well.
They can, of course, they can. Nowadays, if you see on Instagram, when you scroll, there are a lot of people that are using a human who is there, who is with a mic, and she is giving a speech or something, but that's AI.
But people can actually, when you are seeing the original video of normal person as we are creating by mobile or camera, so there is a difference, right?
Yeah.
There's a difference.
It
You can
is.
make out with
You
the
can
face
make out,
and
yes.
by the talk.
You can
Yeah.
definitely actually the movement of the lips that tells you.
Yeah.
So that's AI. So how a human, that's different.
Different,
AI cannot be exactly same as human, but it is
It is
there.
okay.
Yeah. It's 80% it's there.
Okay, I know there are people, and I know we are doing that. Even I did it. So there are people who are saying that just let me work with you for a month, and then I will decide whether I'll go for this package, or I might change my services, or maybe I will see whether I want to work more or I want to stop it here.
Correct.
What do you want to say about it?
I honestly, if I have to tell you, even I get those kind of clients. I have got a lot of clients who have said that we'll see, एक महीना काम करके देखते हैं, we'll see how the work is. If I am pleased by your work, then I will go ahead and do the contract with you. I'm like, no, this is not a trial and error.
Right.
Social media is all about consistency.
Consistency.
If you do not trust me, I have shown you my work for the other clients. When I go for a meeting, of course, I show them my portfolio. I show them that what I have done for the other clients. If you want to judge my work, you can judge it basis on what I'm doing for them. That is what will show you that what the quality of work I'm
Right.
giving you. You don't have to come to me for a trial and error for 1 month, and then you judge that what kind of work I'm providing.
It is
you.
the same thing. You are getting job in the office, and your boss is saying,
Yeah.
after month, I will decide whether I want
Correct.
to keep you for the salary
probation.
or no.
Even
Yeah.
probations are for 3 to 6
3
months.
to 6 months.
And
So-
social media में तो consistency चाहिए ना पूरा मतलब if you give minimum 3 months, 1 महीने में मैं आपको क्या progress करके दूंगी? What results will I show you in 1 month? To build up whatever mess has been created on your socials, it will take me some time to remove you from that mess and bring you into that algorithm.
I just want to interrupt you here. As you said, the mess on the social media. Can you explain this word in a better way so that they will understand how we, as a normal person, how the mess has been created by us and how you are trying to fix it?
Mess as in ki, people are just posting anything to be they just want something to be posted, so they will post anything. And then there is the algorithms. Maybe if the reason that they are not coming on the algorithm on the feeds of the people is because the content is not engaging enough. So ये सारा चीज़ें ना एक होता है कि how we want to put you forward. Now we sit and we do the whole strategy behind your content for the month. So when you post without a strategy, when you post when there's no storyline, when there's no premium content on your social media, you've just posted something for the sake of posting it कि हाँ ठीक है मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी रखनी है इसलिए मैं कुछ भी पोस्ट कर दूंगा या कर दूंगी, वैसे नहीं चलता. तो वी हैव टू क्लियर ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव डन, द थिंग्स दैट आर गुड फॉर योर पेज, थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट गुड फॉर योर पेज. व्हेन वी कम इन, वी डू दी स्ट्रैटेजीज, वी think about the content that goes on your social media. We think about how your page will look aesthetic. How the people can know about your location, your product needs to look premium. जो भी photo shoot हो रहा है, we use props and everything to do the photo shoots, to do the reels. So ये सारी चीज़ें एक होता है कि we take a lot of efforts for your page to look that premium and aesthetic. But if you know कि तुम्हारा नीचे का content अगर खराब है या it's not up to that mark, we have to clear that off. We have to make sure that is धीरे धीरे we are archiving that content, and then we are focusing on the content that we are posting without disturbing your algorithm, without disturbing your followers. That is what we have to also focus on.
So suppose if somebody is giving you a month's calendar, so according to that, so every client has a different strategy. It's not that you are copying pasting with something. It's totally different.
Totally different.
Means every time your brain is working on the strategies, how this will work, and to create a content. Suppose if I'll ask you to create a content for this cup, so how much time you need? Like it's just instant, or because nowadays everybody is content creator.
Yes.
Everybody, whatever they are, even we are talking, even what we are doing, it's all content. But how we present it is actually a content for the digital marketing.
Correct.
But now we are so good in that, like we are asking a dentist to check for my leg pain. Yeah. So this is like that. So can you tell me, can you explain this line what I asked just now?
It's not, see, everyone can be a content creator, but then it's like whatever you are posting. If I am not an influencer, but if I am posting something, I have posted some content, but I cannot call myself a content creator because mera content is not influencing people. It's not reaching those kind of people who will buy my product or my service. Okay?
Sorry to interrupt you again. Please clear this statement. What is exactly a content creator?
Content creator is basically who जिसका that you give them your product, you give them your service, you tell them that I want to promote it, and they do it in a way कि it's either a UGC content or there is this influencer का paid promotion kind of content. That is what is known as content creator. It's not कि हाँ ठीक है मैंने घर पे बैठे बैठे मैं एक product लेकर आई और मैंने बस उसका unboxing दिखा दिया and I am a content creator. No, my content is not reaching that amount of people, and which is why people are not going to that store to buy that. If I get comments ke theek hai where did you get this product from, or if someone goes to that store and they tell them that I saw this in the reel and I want to do it, then that's a content creator. If I am just posting it ki haan theek hai I like content creation, which is why I'm just posting an unboxing of a product, then I'm not a content creator.
Means like we have so many cooks.
Yeah.
But for every special dish we need a special cook, right? Like for Thai, we need a Thai cook, or maybe anybody else can do better.
Correct.
But the point is, whatever food belongs to whatever state, you will get better in that state only, or the country, right?
Correct. Now, if I need Chinese food, I will look for a Chinese chef. I will not look for a chef who is from Philippines and I can ask him to do ke bhai tum mujhe Chinese khila do. Can I do that?
Right. Okay, now you tell me this influencer market. You are also doing that.
Correct.
So what is your suggestion for the people? Why they should do it and when they should do it if they are looking to grow their business?
Influencer marketing goes in hand with your social media. Like you are posting, you are doing your performance marketing, but you should not lose out on influencer marketing, because like I said previously, influencer marketing is booming, and that helps you get the credibility. It helps you tap the market which you cannot tap through performance marketing. So influencer marketing is amazing. Now, there are two kind of influencer marketings that you can do, which is celebrity influencers and other is barter or, micro,
you do
macro.
both, right?
Yes, I do. I have influencers who do barter. Two, I have influencers who are celebrity influencers. So you name that influencer. But I personally, I love doing celebrity influencers because that's a different kind of niche when it comes to. So I love doing celebrity influencers. But yes, the brands, for example, if it's an F&B brand or a saloon brand. Now, for example, I have a client which is a saloon, and we do barter influencers for them. So we do 2 to 3 influencers per month. But that's barter. The ladies come, they do the service. In place of service, they post stories and videos.
So how they work means barter is like where they just do their services and it is done.
Yes.
But what about the other celebrity marketing? How much the charges starts from and it goes till where?
Crazy. I recently did one influencer campaign जहाँ पे we have paid influencer literally 2 million dirhams just for 3 visits.
3 visits.
Just 3 visits.
That's too much, I guess.
2 million dirhams. So that is what celebrity influencer. Of course, you have your management fees separate.
Right.
But just for 3 visits that we had paid the influencer 2 million dirhams.
It goes in millions, right?
Yes.
It depends on a person how much business they want to grow.
Correct.
And I think it is only good for the bigger brands.
Yeah.
If a small brand person
it's a clinic from France. So we had done influencer marketing for them. So they have recently opened up in UAE. It's a French clinic. It's a cosmetic clinic. So we did that for them. So they could afford it. They could do it. They wanted to do it. But the quality, there's a difference. The quality of the celebrity, the content of the celebrity influencers, that's way different than
the normal one. And from where it starts?
Sorry?
The payment plan of this influencers.
No, it differs. You cannot have a fixed number for that.
Nothing.
No. It's some of the influencers, if you tell them that we want to do it with a celebrity influencers, if I tell her that my budget is only 50,000, we cannot pay you more than 50,000, she will still say okay, I will do it in 50,000, but then I will not speak in the video. I will just do a 15 seconds ka walk. That is it. I'll just show your office or I'll just show your clinic. They'll do it in 50,000.
No, I was not aware about this because see, what to say now, the attitude or maybe now the presence in the market is too much.
Yes.
Where they are doing that, and let's see if somebody wants it. Please contact her. We have Rashi with us, and she is having every contact of all celebrities and influencers who can promote your businesses. And if you have a requirement, why not to contact directly? So Rashi, just tell me one more thing. When a person comes to you just for the sake of digital marketing, you talk to these people about the celebrity marketing also, or for the small businesses initially it is not required, or maybe later we can think about
small businesses. No, you can actually guess which client will go for celebrity influencer. Now, for example, if I have a client who pays me 2,500 dirhams or 4,000 dirhams ka package on monthly retainer, they cannot afford celebrity influencers.
So their prices are higher, right?
If I have to, a client who's paying me 2,500 dirhams won't be able to pay 2 million. They can pay. It's not that they won't be able to pay. But they will not pay. But they will not pay because marketing pay, they are just spending 2,500 dirhams. If they cannot believe in spending amount in marketing, then they will not believe in spending amount on influencer marketing. Because with influencer marketing, there's one thing what people expect, here there's a misconception. What they think is if we are spending on influencer marketing, which means the influencer will get us business. Now, that is again a misconception. Influencer is not responsible to get you business, or the agency is not responsible for you to get the business if you are doing influencer marketing. Influencer marketing just puts you out there in the market. It just now it's a for example, that cosmetic clinic. It's a cosmetic clinic. It does something to your body, correct? So if I see that this influencer has gone there, she has gone through that surgery, she has gone through that treatment, then I might take those I might take that risk.
Right.
कि ठीक है, even I can go and do it because I have seen that कि influencer has got it done and her body is amazing, she's super hot. So if I want to do it, I can take that risk. But if maybe then I would be hesitant if I do not see it on anyone using that treatment, correct? So it's not possible that I can, influencers can get you that business, but they can put you out in the market, give you the credibility that people can trust you.
That's it.
Now, I'll tell you that being into marketing since all these years, I myself get influenced by influencers sometimes. Influencer marketing works that way. I see that, okay, fine, this store, I love fashion, I love clothes. If I have a lot of fashion influencers I follow, my algorithm is full about that. So when I see that, okay, one of the influencers has literally gone to that store and she has posted a reel about it, there's a possibility I might go, because fashion is a weak point for me.
Sometimes if your interest is there, why not?
Yes.
Sometimes we buy because of influencer only.
Correct.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And I need to ask one more question from you, that when people are giving you the contract of doing their work for social media, so this lead, I have heard from somebody that lead system is there. So you generate leads for them also, or it is just PR? That PR means we are promoting the brand, we are promoting the business, and that is our job.
Correct.
We are not sales executive, or we are not marketing agency which can create leads for you. Right. Now, what is the reply for these kind of people? Because sometimes when you are saying to somebody that we'll be doing your PR for a month or two, and it is just, and they expect us to do that also. So what is the reply? Like, how to get that out?
See, I can do performance marketing for you, and I can let people reach out to you. I can make that happen. I can make people reach out to you. But if you come and tell me कि you convert the leads for me, my leads are not getting converted, then that's not my problem. My job was to provide you the leads. अभी lead मैंने आप तक पहुंचा दिया. You have to have your sales team that strong. You have to have your customer service that strong. You have to have your operations team that strong.
Means when we are doing the promotions and all, we can generate the leads, but conversion, it's not in the company's hand who's doing the digital social marketing.
No, right. Definitely. We literally put that in the contract as well, that we are just responsible for generating the leads for you. Closing them and the leads not getting closed, it's your problem.
And what is the closure rate, if you can just suggest me? Like, as we are putting ads for people, and then what is the rate of closure can happen? Like, before the sales, I was into sales, so I know that, when we used to make 10 calls, it was very initial times when I was in a call center. So that time I was making 10 calls and 11th was my customer. It was like that.
Yes.
That ratio was that. But nowadays, as marketing is there now on digital marketing, so what is the ratio?
Again,
Like, in how many clients will visit you, or maybe send you the numbers, or you will contact them. Sometimes they don't pick up. Even I get leads on my numbers. Sometimes they don't pick up. Sometimes they randomly just had clicked you because they are looking for some friends, and this is the right part. Sometimes they are not even picking up, they are not even responding, they are not doing anything.
Yes.
So means what is the ratio, if you can explain it to me?
So if you get 10 leads and if you can convert at least 1 or 2 out of that, that is also enough.
Enough, yeah.
Yes. Out of 10 leads. Because not every lead you get is a quality lead.
Sometimes all 10 numbers are waste.
Yeah. There is a possibility that maybe they do not understand your business. They do not understand your service. Yeah. Some of them have just clicked because galti se ho gaya. Arey bachche ne, I have literally got these kind of, whenever I do sales calls, I had one person telling, "Arey sorry, wo bachche ne galti se click kar diya."
Now what I have another question, because as you said that, because see, Every click takes money,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
you are here. Every click, when you're posting on any click on social media, just to have an information, every click you are clicking, we are paying for that.
Yes. That's
So can you please explain how it works? Because people are asking these
Yeah.
questions. आपने ऐड तो डाला था. Now 200 रुपए का ऐड कैसे हो गया? Because of course there's a
Yeah,
charge.
yes.
And every ad, I think it there is a charge of 10 dirhams or 8 dirhams. There is a budget of per click.
Yes.
So can you just explain this little more?
So there's no specific budget. It depends on the
Person
on
to
your business. कि what's the nature of your business. उसके ऊपर you get your CPLs. Now that the each and every click, until and unless my ad is running, whenever, if for example, if I see your ad and when I click on your ad, so then Meta is charging you for that. So until and unless I don't click on it, Meta will not charge me. But the number of clicks that you get, you are getting charged for that. Abhi, for example, when I told you कि वो I got that client who
Client,
told
yeah.
me कि बच्चे ने गलती से क्लिक कर दिया, लेकिन आपके बच्चे में मेरे पैसे चले गए यहाँ
चले
पे.
गए. And you know, a lot of people, they don't know.
Yeah.
Because what is their pastime is just scroll Instagram, click on everything, take every
Yes.
information, and when you are calling or your team is calling them, they are simply saying, no, it's just for the information.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
curious to know what is that. Because of
Don't
your
do that.
curiosity, you better call the company and
Yes.
ask. Because of your curiosity, somebody's budget is getting spoiled. You know, it is
Right.
like that. Because
Yes.
obviously, as we say, less knowledge is always
Yes.
very dangerous.
Yes.
So gather information about it, because why you make somebody in loss when
Correct.
you are not giving them any benefit, right?
Right.
So that was the thing I wanted to
It's
actually.
just, they are burning our money. We think about how we can save clients money, but this is how our money gets burned.
No, but whatever you will do, you will be finding these kind of people where they will be
Yeah,
asking you,
yeah.
reduce the cost. You give 10 dirhams, you sell something for 10 dirhams, they will ask, can you make it for 8 dirhams, please?
Yes, yes.
And when it comes to the clients, if you will go to that same client who's bargaining with you about your service,
Yes.
if you'll directly go to that client and say, okay, you are selling bags, or maybe you are into fashion industry, I want to buy this, and their price is totally stick.
Yes.
They will not
They
reduce
will
it.
not. I literally, whenever a client, now you know how marketing
Right.
system is. Each and every client thinks that ठीक है, we can, whenever there's something happening. Now अभी जैसे there was this war situation. The first thing that people wanted to do was cut down marketing. They wanted for them marketing is a cost,
It's
but they don't
spoiling the-
understand
yeah.
that marketing is an investment. That is how people will know you. That is how you'll get the business. It's an investment for your business. It's not a cost.
Cost, yeah.
This is when a person अभी जैसे इनवॉइस पे करना है या कुछ है, if marketing के industry में there are so many clients who take
Marketing
marketing for
cannot be
granted.
choice if you really want to be in market.
Correct.
It has to be there, as you know, as you have your staff, as you have the lights in your store, or you have AC in your store.
It's a
This is the
necessity.
necessity nowadays. Why? Because we are not keeping that kind of sales executive who will go door
Yeah.
to door and sell your brochures or something.
Yes.
And this is, I think, it was there before
Yes.
a lot everywhere. Even in Dubai, you must have
Yeah.
seen that so many
Credit cards.
that credit card leaflets,
Yeah.
or banking leaflets,
Yes.
or maybe some parlor leaflets, or
driving license.
बहुत सारा, yeah, a lot of things we used to see on our cars
Yes.
just removed.
Yes.
Like, but now it's all there on social media. Two things are happening because of that. Because of social media, the paper and the printing cost is not
Yeah.
going. That you can utilize on your digital
Yes.
marketing, which will cost you somewhere lesser than what you
Correct.
are spending on these prints. And second is, you are sitting on a one place, just ordering your team and telling them to just rotate it in all the world. Because that executive only can go nearby areas. But what about others? So that is very important, you know. At
Yes.
least if somebody is starting their businesses right now, you should have some kind of marketing agency with you. Maybe you hire a person for your own self, or maybe you hire an agency. It is very much required,
Yes.
and it is actually a need right now.
It is a necessity. Like you cannot reach out to people until and unless you are not doing your marketing. Now, if I spend some money on the ads, But it also depends, okay, how much ROI I'm getting out of it. I will spend 1,000 dirhams, I'll spend 2,000 dirhams. But it's up to me how I close the clients and how I will recover the amount that I've spent. It's not that my money is getting wasted. That 1,000 and 2,000 dirhams are getting me even more money,
money, yeah.
than what I'm spending. That 1,000 dirhams, one client, and I'll recover that 1,000 and 2,000 dirhams. But that 1,000 dirhams has given me 4 other clients. So I have like 3x ROI out of it.
yeah.
So it's not waste of money. It is an investment you are doing for you to get a better
And
ROI.
same thing, it's nothing is happening, within seconds.
Yeah.
You need steps for that.
need-
And this is also a step
Yes.
where you are telling people at least you should be, patient enough to understand the value of other person's work, where you are telling them 1 mahina, 2 mahina. No. You should, if you have trust on somebody, join them and at least give them little time so that they can at least do something better for you. And if still something is happening, you can have a direct
Yeah.
talk to that person, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now let me ask you 1 or 2 questions, which is little maybe funny, but maybe for you the answer is something else, but for somebody else the answer is something else. Tell me, nowadays everybody is writing from AI,
Yes.
either Gemini or ChatGPT, or maybe what is other one, Claude.
Yeah.
It means every content everybody wants to write. They are very much smarter. They are saying we don't have to write an email. We just have to tell that ChatGPT and she will create or he will create
Yes.
or whatever
Rephrase
gender
it
she is
and
into.
yes.
So they will create for us. But now you tell me how important it is to write your content yourself first and then do the correction on these kind of portals.
Yes, it is. What you can do is, see, I'll tell you, using AI is not a crime.
Yeah,
AI
of
is
course.
just improvising you. So there's nothing wrong with that. Nowadays you have to be a person who knows AI. Otherwise, it's
right.
not कि AI तुम्हारा job ले लेगा.
Right.
It's a person who doesn't know AI, शायद उनका job चला जाएगा. अभी वैसा हो गया है. So it's important to know AI. So it's, you use it. You put your thoughts. You have a rough draft. Ki I want to. For example, if I want to send an email replying to what has happened, and I'll just tell ChatGPT that this is the scenario, this has happened, and I want to reply them saying this, these are the pointers. I'll just rephrase my email into a proper
Means
professional
there
way.
are some keywords
Yes.
which we can use on these
Yes,
apps, right? So suppose in the random way, suppose I want to write write an email to my boss. What do you think? I should ask ChatGPT or I should use my brain?
Ask ChatGPT.
Ask
Yes.
Acha, that trust you have on
Yes.
ChatGPT.
I myself use it. Trust me, I don't remember कि last email मैंने कब खुद से लिखा है. I will write my email, but I will still put it in ChatGPT.
No, my question was how important is for a person to write their content and then for the correction they should go for ChatGPT or any other portal like this?
They can, they should. Yes, it
Yeah.
just makes you
It is
sound more professional. ChatGPT can make you sound more professional. That is a good thing.
And using on the other side your brain also, because if your brain will stop working, then you will not be able to ask anything from ChatGPT as well.
That is, you cannot rely completely. That at the end, that's a robot.
Robot, yeah.
So you cannot expect human answers from that. What your thoughts are, you put that down and you just ask it to rephrase it. Ki make it more professional, make it more finer.
You know what
And it
happened a few
helps
days
you.
before? There was somebody, actually a client only. I don't know. I am still in the confusion. That person has sent me a big, huge message by the ChatGPT because the question I asked from the client, he actually had replied on something else. Something else.
Okay.
Means I called that person also, but somehow he is not in the town right now. He said, I'll get back to you. I said, you just read what you said. And it was so funny for me even to see, because sometimes what happens, what we are asking from the ChatGPT, we are just copying and pasting so fast that because we are busy everywhere. So it is always important to have a look and, just give your suggestions and make it in a better way. Please read and send it, because otherwise you will send what you don't know.
ChatGPT tells you whenever it rephrases a message, last May, if you see, there's a disclaimer that ChatGPT puts that ChatGPT cannot always be right. So make sure you read the content that we have given you and then you use it.
maybe I use mostly Gemini. I love talking to Gemini, and it is, for me, it is a good time pass.
Yes, it's
You
a
know,
best friend, it's a
best
therapist,
friend, yes.
it's everything to
And
you.
you know, if you will listen to this, means everybody is having their different brain, and my brain is always very curious, having a very much curiosity to know everything. So I asked this Gemini once a question: is there any funny or very inappropriate, somebody asked you a question? So this Gemini has told me, yes, of course, why not? Somebody asked me why cat is only saying meow. Why cat cannot say meow in a different tones. Of course, the cat is saying that meow in different tones, but is this a question to be asked on ChatGPT? But I think maybe that person was also having a curiosity to understand which kind of, cat maybe he's or she's having a cat at home.
But ChatGPT is the best AI to chat with, Gemini or ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT sometimes if I have a lot of free time, ki thoda time pass kar rahi hu.
It actually helps you to suggest. What I think is, for me, it's a good companion, when I get some good thoughts and I really want to discuss it with somebody, I use Gemini.
Yes.
And the best option is when you speak and she replies back you,
Yes.
in a human tone.
Yes.
And then the ChatGPT, I think they don't have this feature where you have to read only, right?
No, they have
I have not
that.
used that as if
They
now.
have it.
They also have
You
it.
can also send voice notes on ChatGPT. You can, if you want to give any
I'll
command,
try.
you can use voice.
But I'm very familiar with my Gemini.
Gemini.
It's like, means, yaar, koi aisa banda hota na, you would have done your, every time whenever you are suggesting or when you are asking, and then you get the reply, okay, if you are in this situation, what you will do?
Yeah.
Or maybe as we are discussing this, okay, tell me what you will do. Then this is the way I get the question from ChatGPT
Okay.
as well. So when I reply, commendable, the appreciation which I get,
Yes,
and the way Gemini knows me now, if I'll ask one single prompt, I get everything. And then it starts from you are, means background, pura wo batata hai.
Yes.
And then I say, yeah, yaar, ek bande se to better hi hai ChatGPT.
Correct.
Right? So this is very wonderful, and I'm really happy that we discussed all of that today. And tell me two things now, which you want to say to my viewers, that why digital marketing is important for small businesses.
See, for small businesses, it is very important because you are not in the market yet. So you have to let people know that I am there, I am starting something, I am just going into the market, I am entering into, because every business, if you see, every business has their own competition.
Right.
There are a lot of competition. Even if I take my example, agency, marketing has a lot of competition. But what will make me different ki people will come to me?
Right.
Why will it not go to someone else? Why would they come to me? So वैसे they have to show. Small businesses के लिए already there are bigger businesses which are doing same thing. तो लोग उनके पास जाएंगे because they already have the name and fame.
Right.
For you to get that name and fame, you have to get into marketing. You have to let people know. You start from a small market. Bale you just get the help from friends and families, and that is how you'll get credibility. You go into networking events. That is how you let people know that you have got into the market, and that is how it's very important. Otherwise, you won't survive. There are bigger sharks in the market. You won't survive.
And second thing, I really want to ask one suggestion for the digital marketing. If you want to give to my viewers, please see in the camera and just tell them.
The only suggestion that I would give you, that be consistent. First of all, marketing is a necessity. Be consistent with your content. You do your performance marketing. Of course, don't leave out on influencer marketing. PR is an optional thing. If you want to do it, you do it. That's just give you a credibility for your personal branding is something that I would suggest. It's an optional thing, but of course, yes, social media, your performance marketing and your influencer marketing is something that please get it done. Do not leave out on it. And if you think that it is something that if you do not do and you will still be okay with the business, then no, I'm sorry, you won't.
And one tip which can help them.
The only tip is कि whenever you are thinking about the content, make sure your content is a premium content. Whenever if I am going on your social media page and if I land on your page, I should get that premium feel. on your page, because Dubai is all about lifestyle.
Lifestyle, yes.
Dubai is all about being premium. Anything which is not premium, people won't get into it. So make sure your pages are they do have a aesthetic and a premium look. That is something that we also focus
Neat
on.
means,
Yes.
in a normal language we
Very,
say
yes.
neat and clean.
Neat and clean,
And
yes.
this with the correct message.
Yes.
And the
And the
content. Hook. What is hook?
Hook is something that the first 3 seconds of your content, you see Instagram pe reels,
Yeah.
you scroll, but then the first 3 seconds, if that grabs your attention,
It
then
is
you will
done.
make sure that you watch the entire reel. But
Yes.
if those 3 seconds do not grab your attention, you will just scroll.
So that is very important.
That is the hook. The first 3 seconds of your content, which grabs the attention of a person, that makes them watch the entire reel, is very important. So wo hook is something,
That is
yes.
important.
That is something
so now
that we
have
work
got
on as a-
the one tip and then one suggestion. Anything else you want to share, or maybe if you are feeling that okay, we missed on this, if you want to say something?
No, I think we've covered enough. I think we've covered how marketing works, the tips and tricks on marketing. We have covered that what kind of clients do we get. I would just tell one thing to each and every,
Even for us.
like
Yeah.
for us or for clients, like for us also. Even clients, please don't do that. Do not come to us and do that bargaining, because respect our efforts. We put a lot of time, we put a lot of attention to your accounts. We take your business as our business. What we feel is ki, if a person is growing, then we are growing.
Right.
We treat their social media, their social presence as our social presence. That much efforts we put into it. So do not ask for discounts and do the bargaining, because it's a disrespect to us.
Yes.
Sometimes we cannot say no, but of course, just respect us as well. And
So,
that is
that's
it.
it, huh?
Yes.
With this message, I really want to say you all, we have thousands of platforms where you can have digital marketing, places. From small to bigger brands, which can brand your brand or maybe more bigger. So many digital companies we have. And when somebody is suggesting you according to your price, we have to see according to our pockets, we have to go to get the services as well. You are right on your part. But on the other side, when you are saying that, if somebody is charging you higher, maybe you can find out somebody else on the other space. And as she is having lot of packages in which from higher to lower or lower to higher you can get anything. So do that. But bargaining always is not right. Think about it. When it comes to you, if somebody is coming and not giving you the value what your product or your service needs, how it feels like. So this is what I want to say to my people. Be genuine and respect everybody's efforts and their attention towards your business, because as if you will grow, they will grow, or it is like that.
Yes.
No, because if their clients will not grow, they will also not grow, right? So respect that effort as well. And that's it for today. This is me, Sadhna, and this is my channel, The Attitude of Gratitude.